I'm back with another mukbang, truck bang challenge. Come get you some. Bussin', 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 bussin'. We finna get it in. Bussin', bussin', bussin'. Hey, Kool-Aid. Oh yeah. Bussin', 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 bussin'.
Good Lord.
Bussin', bussin'.
That smoke flavor that you're savoring.
Amen. I'm back with another mukbang. Hey yo, today we got some taco salads. We got 4 taco salads that I cooked in the oven. The shells I cooked in the oven. I ordered them from Amazon. I ordered a little taco maker thing. I thought it was gonna be this big. They're like this big. So I cooked 4 of them. We got some ground beef, some of that old healthy green dark lettuce, some pico de gallo, some sour cream, some chives, and we got some guacamole salsa, and we gonna put some truffle hot sauce on them things there. It finna be busting. You hear me? Coldest water bottle. Link in the description. Use Lilgilmoeats as discount code. You save 10% off your entire purchase. Coldest water bottle. Go get you one. We finna say grace. We finna get it in cause I'm hungry. Come get you some. Amen. And amen again. Let me get that thumbnail about you. Let me get that thumbnail about you. Not about me. Got dog. I just touched Betsy and she hot. I wanted to eat like this. But I'm like, hey, yeah. 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 Ooh. And whatever. Let's get it in. Put some of this guacamole sauce on that thing. That don't never expire, and I'm wondering why. Put on all of them. I don't know if I'm gonna eat all of them, but I'm gonna try. They're about the size of some tacos, some big tacos. Got the little mini taco salad action going on. Hold on. Oh, spoon. Why I got a spoon? Oh, I don't know why I got a spoon. With some cheese. I got some cheese on that thing. It's dark lettuce. My mama used to make these all the time. Bustin'. That is a little too healthy. You can taste the healthiness in it. I like that. I ain't gonna be generous with this. I just like how it tastes. Let me eat, man. Why be normal when you can be different? Good Lord. How you doing there, Kimpo? Is everything copacetic? Hmm? Good. That's real good. I got a story time to tell you, Kinfolk, but I don't think I can tell it until next week. Because I think Jeremy messed me up running the mile. I was so high at that boy today. Can't even tell you why he pissed me off. But I sure give you the gist of it next week. Same Gizmo time. Same Gizmo channel. The video was supposed to come out on Tuesday. I was chilling. I was tired. I was tired on Tuesday. Then he pissed me off today. I'm gonna do it earlier on Wednesday, but it got to come out on Thursday. Kinfolk, and I'm sorry. I was too hot to do a video. He made me so mad. I might say, Jeremy don't like people. I think people don't like Jeremy. I'm sorry, Dave. But I tell y'all, it's a pretty good day, man. Other than that, before you piss me off, I'm not gonna say it no more. I don't mean to see too many taco salad mukbang. I just wish I would have used iceberg lettuce with no nutritional value at all. I promise I do. And not so much lettuce. Summer here. Summer is here. Faye must be spending time with her friends because it's hard to catch up with her. Usually I text her, she would hold the whole conversation. Now it's like, what up, Faye? What up? Pew! Ghost. I messed up, boy. I hate teenagers. Oh! I ain't did mukbang in the movie in a minute. But you know what they do now? You let a movie not be doing good in the theater. That's one thing the Golden Monkey Crisis did. They got them newer movies and put them in the theater. I mean, put them on the TV quicker. It's showing up to that. But a movie that ain't doing good in the theater, they quick to pull it out the theater and slap that joke on HBO Max or Peacock. Look at that movie. 5-star. Some of them be good. 5-star, I thought was pretty good. I hope they make a part 2 of it. It got bad on the Rotten Tomatoes, but I thought it was better. Excuse me, the ambulance, which they also took out the theaters and put it on Peacock right quick like. I didn't like that at all. With the war vet, his wife dying of cancer, and she had a baby, and they're trying to get an operation for the cancer. So he go to his brother, who is white. His brother a crook, and their daddy was a crook. Real big time crook. And he do some legal stuff. I ain't gonna tell you the whole movie. It got a good Rotten Tomatoes score. But it was rotten to me. What up? Yeah, and they hijack an ambulance to try and get away from the police. Yeah, PYT in it too. Pretty young thing. She wasn't playing either. She's like, hey, let me save his life. What up? Oh, a new Batman movie. They should take that Batman movie and put it back in the case. Don't put it on TV or in the movie theater. Just put it back in the case and throw it in the ocean. I didn't like that at all. And why, since y'all be criticizing me all the time, I'm gonna criticize somebody. What his name? I know he in the movies, whatever. Robert Pattinson, the new Batman. Please go back to Twilight. You can make all the Twilights you want to, but don't mess up my Batman again, please. I say please. Y'all say what you want. Ben Affleck was a good Batman to me. I don't care. You ain't gotta do them. Hey, brute. You just gotta talk like this and wear that heavy suit. That's all you gotta do. That's all I care about. And act like you know karate, and that's it. And be witty and be rich. That's it. Robert Pattinson as Batman? I don't know how much he paid somebody. I'm sorry. I can't get into it. I guess I'm old. You can even bring back Michael Keaton. They said Michael Keaton supposed to play Batman in one of these new DC movies. I'll take it. Val Kilmer, he done gained 100 pounds. I'd even take him. But Robert Pattinson is unbelievable. And that's in a bad way. Like when you say something is unbelievable, oh, that was unbelievable. Like, oh, that was impressive. I don't believe him as Batman. Robin, maybe. Back in 1960 something. That's how he built. Should have tried to lift weights or something. If I'm trying to play Batman. I'm sorry. I could have played Batman. I would have been Black Man. Hey, what's your credit score? Yeah. They quit to throw the movies out of the theater. They don't make no money. I guess that's what they're going to do from here on out, because a lot of people still don't trust it. They still don't trust COVID. They'd rather stay home. And if it ain't HBO or streaming or Stars, only way they can do it is Redbox. A lot of people don't even get the Redbox no more because they putting them in the homes. That's smart. I really want to tell y'all, Ken folk, but I ain't trying to get over. I'm trying to work something out first before I tell y'all. But y'all most definitely gonna know. Most definitely. People think they're gonna work me in that hot sun. Yeah, man, the hot sun, man. This job lately, like every weekend they have a wedding or a banquet or a Memorial Day picnic out in the sun. When I got this job, they ain't say nothing about that. I thought they had a separate department to do them banquets outside in that hot sun. They don't. We work in the pub, we serve wait tables, and we have to go out there and work as like a banquets department. They ain't telling me that. Okay. Okay. The manager get more days off than employees. How you make more money than the employees? Get more days off than the employees? Nope. All it took was a couple of people to come in there and talk sense into them employees, and things changed quick like. I just sweating, unbalancing my pH. I couldn't work smelling sweet, poloed out. Boy, I leave out there smelling musket in a mug. Back all wet. I said, damn, who eating an onion sandwich? Oh, that's me. I gotta go. Can't even stop nowhere after work. Woman come up to me, I'm gonna be messed up forever. She gonna talk about me so bad. It's a muscle like you rank, but can't nobody smell you but you. So, you know, you kind of worry about it, but then nobody smell it. I know people smelling this. I done switched 3 or 4 deodorants. I just ain't made for the sun no more. Homeboy, dude, little white dude I work with. I'm trying to describe him. I work with. I said, man, my pH unbalanced like a mud. Dude say, facts. I say, you son of a... I couldn't say nothing though. That mean he smelled me. I don't know why I'm telling y'all this. I don't smell on any other occasion, I promise. I'm not sure. He was stinking too. But he still at home with his parents. He ain't got to be fresh. Maybe that's why he stank. I don't know. But I'll be honest with you, I be funky out there in that sun. I'm sorry. I use degree. Degree's supposed to turn up the degrees, ain't it? When it's supposed to, it ain't. I don't, boy. I'm too comfortable with y'all. You hear me? I'm just saying, I smell good now, though. I smell good now. Except when out there, if you see my back wet, don't stop and talk to me. If you see my back wet, just leave me alone. Okay, because I don't know. I guess it's the older you get, the more unbalanced your pH be. I can't do that. Hint. I can't do that. He told me he was gonna be more relaxed, easier on me, cause I'm older. Not like older, like decrepit, but I did this for so long, I could just be comfortable in work. I'm so stressed out, this is ridiculous. I know y'all seen on them pictures and on them shorts. Did you ride in the golf cart? Yeah, that's when I first got there. Things done changed. So I'm gonna change too. How about that? You ain't finna lie to me. You ain't finna lie to me. That'll fix you. I should have got some iceberg lettuce. I promise I don't stink right now. I smell good now. Trying to be healthy a little bit. I put too much lettuce in this one. Good Lord. I'm gonna say something. I don't feel like hurting anybody's feelings today. I promise I don't be saying stuff to hurt people's feelings. I just be pointing out stuff. I promise. Like when I say that lady, White Castle burgers sound like potato chips, I was just pointing that out. I'm trying to get people to go over there and watch the video and be nosy. That's all. I'll be honest, it did sound like potato chips, didn't it? For those of y'all who saw it. I wasn't trying to throw no shade. Kind of. my crystals didn't sound like that. And I don't need nobody else's, I don't think. These crispy. That's how they're supposed to be. I'm sick of this lettuce though. This lettuce is ridiculous. I need a haircut already. I ain't gonna be able to wait till next Tuesday. Somebody said I shouldn't have cut my hair. I need to let it grow out. They didn't put their fingers in it. Man, I'm gonna be ugly to everybody else but you. And I just can't do it. That's crazy. I can't do the long hair. Look at my hairline with, never mind. Like somebody would have took a bite out of my hairline and let my hair grow out. Take a bite out of it. I'm not eating that one because I'm full. Plus, it got lettuce in it. I'm sick of the healthy lettuce. Next time, y'all ain't gonna see me eating nothing but non-nutritional lettuce from here on out. That was a mistake. But I ate 3 of them though. I'm gonna drink some water for the rest of the night. Probably. Hey, let me get this hug from you. Should drink out of that. I need to start. Without struggle, there is no victory. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. It look like somebody took a bite out of my hair. Yeah, but 5-star, I meant to say that. It's too late to do. I forgot the movie. And it ain't worth watching again. I was going to do like a mukbang and a movie on 5-star. But it was pretty good. I don't know why nobody go watch it. I guess it was poor marketing. It's like a remake from when Drew Barrymore was in it. And David Keith was in it. Y'all don't know them. That's us old folks. Y'all don't know nothing about David Keith. Not Keith David, David Keith. David Keith's the white man. Now I got Zac Efron in it. He didn't take his shirt off in this movie. Thank God. I'm sick of him. Sick of him. Put your shirt back on, boy. And the good little girl started fires with a mind. You can't piss off. I said it again. What's the theme? They pissy. You can't make her mad. Then she started fire. She burned. She burned her mama. She burned her mama. She ain't kill her, but she burned her. I said, good Lord. You need them. That's what I said in my head. I said it out loud. I'm tripping. Yeah, man. So, summer's here, man. I hope y'all. I'm gonna try to go live more. I hope y'all don't hit my stomach, boy. Oh no. Oh no, the Belson ain't gonna get it. I got so much to say, but I can't say it yet. Y'all hear my stomach? This embarrassing. I hope y'all enjoying your summer. Be happy with it. I don't know what to say. I just hope y'all having a good time. My stomach. Oh no, y'all got any plans? Man, I want to tell y'all so bad, but I can't. Stay tuned in suspense. Stay tuned. I love y'all. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Stay kinfolk. I needed like a little music playing for my outro because I don't be knowing what to say. Be like MRTV, like doo-doo-doo-doo. Not if you're happy and you know it. Not like that. Man, I'm out of here. Bussin'. You got the trusted Coke Zero.